Give you the review of this particular watch, which I got it yesterday. Yesterday I have posted about the unboxing, so today I'm gonna give you the review. I have used this watch for like 1.5 days, and I have some sort of like feedback. So let's get started. So okay, first of all, I got this watch especially for like this during this COVID time. So as I told before, like after coming to India, I was having a symptom of COVID and I was trying to measure my SpO2. So those who don't know about SpO2, it's basically a measuring unit to measure the amount of oxygen in your body. So I got this oximeter. It's really very difficult to get an oximeter in India at this time, during this time. Somehow my friend managed to give me this oximeter, but the issue with the oximeter was that I was not sure whether this is working perfectly or not. So I got a digital watch for that. So this is the digital watch, the Amazfit, which I got, right? So today, what I did after like getting this digital watch. So when you get this digital watch, the first thing what you need to do is to basically download the app. So there's an app called as Zepp. ZEPP, right? So how does this looks like? So this is the Zap, right? This is the Zap app. Let me show you. Yeah, this one. So this is the Zap app. So you need to get the Zap app, and after that you need to connect this watch from this one. This will be connected via the Bluetooth, right? Those who are using the digital watch first time, so this, for connecting these two things, you need to have a Bluetooth on in your phone. So there are a few things what this watch usually is very good in measuring. So as you can see, there are like few dashboards, like you can have like a different theme dashboards. So I'm using this particular theme. I'm just gonna show you like how is the quality of the measurement with my healthcare device and this particular watch. The issue with this watch is that my body color is like bit dark, not bit dark, it's dark. So I googled out and I found that so this particular watch, it takes some more time to basically give you the measurement of the oxygen level or maybe your heartbeat. So let me just put my oximeter here. Let me start the oximeter, and let's have all the, okay, let's measure the BPM. Okay, to measure the BPM, so you can see here I got this 75, right? So let me show you. So this you can see it's 75, right? And here it's on the oximeter, it's showing 79. So 79 it's showing in the oximeter, but my watch is showing you 75. Now let's measure the O2. For O2 you need to have an SpO2. So the thing here is that since this is not specifically a healthcare device, this is just a watch which give you like few extra reading related to healthcare. So you need to be like bit very carefully while measuring these things, else they will give like some very different measurement. So okay, so this watch is showing that my oxygen level is something around 98%. You can see here it's 98%, and in my oximeter also it's 98%, right? So the oxygen level, the O2 level is like exactly almost same. Heartbeat was like little bit fluctuation, but yeah, it gave you almost like same reading. So if you want to see it in the app also you can see like they usually give reading, whatever the reading you will get in the watch, these readings will be reflected on your phone. Okay, let's go to the next feature of this watch. So I told you about heart rate, I told you about SpO2, and there's another measuring unit which is called in stress. It will measure your stress level. I'm not interested in measuring the stress level. These are like some goals, which the goals you can set in your phone, like steps to walk. This is the weather, like 37 degree it's showing in this watch, and in my phone also it's around 37 degree, so it's the same. And after that there is a phone, like is there any music playing or not, they will just give you. And there's an Alexa connection also. So this watch comes with an inbuilt Alexa. How to connect this Alexa, I haven't connected as of now yet, so I still have to connect and give you the review. So overall this watch is like okay. I'm not a big fan of the watch, but since this is a COVID time and I was looking a device to measure the O2 and the heartbeat, so that's why I got this particular watch. In terms of cost wise, like 5,000 seems to be like a bit expensive to me, but it's okay, since if you're buying an oximeter, like these oximeter of just like 2,000 or maybe like 3,000, people are selling this oximeter in like 10x of the actual price, 10 times of the actual price. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing is that there are a few other features in it which I haven't discussed. So they have this notification tab, like if someone is calling you, if someone message you, you will get the notification. So you just need to like turn this notification on from the app. So most of the setting, when you buy this particular watch, they will ask you to first update. That update will take something around 10 minutes. And after that update, you just need to like connect both of these devices. And yeah, there's a like alarm clock, find device, incoming call alert. Yes, there's an incoming call alert. It won't make any sound when the phone will come, but it will start vibrating, right? So you have an option either to not accept the call, or either to discard the call, or you can discard it with message, but you cannot like have hello, hi, how are you. You can't do that. You can also like do the setting of some to-do list, which I feel like it's really very worth if you are using this particular watch. So yeah, that's all for this particular watch, nothing much more. It looks cool on your hand, like if you are like buying this particular watch just for like having a cool look, that will like good, very good. So it looks good, okay, it looks good. So yeah, that's my review. In terms of price and everything, so I have already discussed in the previous blog. So do check out if you want to know how I did the payment, what issue was in the payment, and how much it costed to me. If you still have any sort of questions, you can like put it in the comment. I'll try to answer in the next video. Up to then, see you, bye bye, take care.